The National Human Rights Commission and some civil society organizations have applauded the judgment of a federal high court in Abuja in favor of 6 women for violation of their rights. The groups at a media briefing applauded the judgment of Justice Evelyn Maha on the matter. The report.
2019, over 100 state actors invaded clubs, hotels, supermarkets and other centers of businesses in Abuja to arrest sex workers. This, according to the Federal High Court, has been termed an arrest without cause. Justice Maha also ruled that the molestation and dehumanizing treatment, detention and barring of the applicants from accessing legal representation were in violation of the applicants' rights. These rights, according to Maha, are guaranteed under the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The Executive Secretary of NHRC, Tony Ojukwu, represented by Harry Obey, Director Women and Children, said the judgment would encourage all activists fighting human rights violations in Nigeria. According to him, the judgment has vindicated the position of CSOs and the Commission.
For us, it's a day that is really exciting for us and very encouraging to all activists fighting human rights violation in Nigeria, especially violation that borders on sexual and gender-based violence. So it is a story worth telling, and we're calling on all to speak out because that is the only way we can address the issues of sexual and gender-based violence.
Similarly, Kemi Okenyodo, member of the governing board of NHRC, described the judgment as a victory over a violation of rights.
This judgment, like I said earlier, is significant as it asserts the human rights of every person against gender-based violence, especially by state actors, which is a persistent, well-documented fact. The judgment regarding the discriminatory arrest of people based on their gender, particularly the arrest of women in the streets and other places, becomes a reference point for protecting women's rights.
Rekia Adejo Andrew, Chairperson International Federation of Women Lawyers, Nigeria, Abuja branch, also commended the judgment.
We are glad and we want to say that this is victory for women. This is victory for all civil society organizations that stand for women and children. And we join and we're glad, we're delighted as the National Human Rights Commission. We know that the fight to eliminate all forms of discrimination against women and children is a long walk, but I think we're making progress. And we believe that if we sustain this momentum, we will achieve more.